Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a line stacked chart in VBA Excel. So to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel, this is the sample data which we are going to use to create a line stacked chart in VBA Excel. So this is the categorical data with its performance over the years, and this is the macro button in which I have assigned entire VBA code to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output of our code, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding like how to create or how to write a code to create a line stack chart in VBX. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, this is our line stack chart in VBA Excel, and which has a title, the data labels, legend, the data table, etc. So if you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Now let's see the code written behind it to understand what all codes has to be written to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see that this is our VBA editor, and this a procedure to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. So here this is the entire code to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. Now we will be seeing the each and every line of code and understand what all codes has to be written and what they do to create a line stack chart. Let's get started. So the first step in our code is to select a single cell inside our data. So this is my data and I have selected a single cell using range, then the cell name and dot select. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the next line, which is active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets I'm going to give some parameters. Now remember, these parameters will help us to create a Excel line stacked chart and position it. So let's see how. The first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value, and for our video for creating a line stack chart, we have the chart value as 2. After that, we are going to give Excel line stacked, which is the chart type. So the next parameter is the chart type, and in this video we are creating Excel line stacked, so we are giving the parameter as Excel line stacked. After that, we are mentioning the top and the left values for the positioning of our chart output. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket and we're going to type dot select. So what this line of code will do is this line of code will create and select the chart. Now wait, after creating and selecting the chart, what we are going to do is we are going to use this with statement to set some elements and set the chart title inside our chart to make it more presentable. So let's see how we can do that. So once you have written this line of code which will create and select the line stack chart in VBA Excel, after that what we are going to do is we are going to type a with statement using with, and then we are going to type active chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are first going to set the chart title. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to type hash title equals to true. This line of code ensures the VBA that we want a chart title inside our chart. After that, we are going to set what should be our chart title. So to set what should be our chart title, we are going to use in the next line of code is dot chart title dot text equals to lines tag chart in VBA Excel in the double inverted comma. So over here you can modify this as per your chart or as per your convenience, and then we are going to set some elements after this. Let's see what are they. The first element which we are going to set is to show the data labels over here. So as you can see, we have written a code to create this chart and insert this chart title. Now we will be seeing how to show or how to present the data labels for each and every data point inside our line chart. So to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data label show. Once you have given this, your data label will be appearing inside your chart. After that, we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart. Let's see how we can do that. So to remove the grid lines inside our chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none. So this line of code will help you to disable or delete the grid lines from your lines tag chart in VBA Excel. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this table with the legend keys. Now let's see how. So first what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. So once you have written this line of code, your data table with the legend keys will be created. Now as you can see, we have the data table and we have also shown the data labels on our each and every line for each and every year. So we don't require the value access. As you can see that I have written a code over here which says dot access, and inside the brackets it's Excel value, and outside it I typed dot delete. So this line of code will help you to delete your access, a value access which will be in here. So if after that, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to close the with statement. As you can see, we have opened it over here, so we are going to end the with statement using end with. Now if you have reached till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. And if you want to learn more about the VBA chart series, then please do visit to our channel BPA Coder for more such videos. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Now as you have seen that we have selected our chart over here initially while creating. Now to deselect a chart, I'm going to select any empty cell inside my worksheet. So my empty cell in my worksheet is I4. So I have selected that to deselect my line stack chart. That's all for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Have a great day. Bye.